Hello, baby. Hello. Oh, who's that? Is that you? Can you see yourself, huh? Can you see yourself, baby? Wow, masayang baby. Yes, masaya kang baby, ano? Mommy built you a gym, didn't she? Yes, she did. Look. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? Is it cool? Yeah, it's very cool. Hello. It's a cheeky smile. Yes, it is. It's a cheeky smile. Yes, it is, baby.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Duante Vlog. Ngayon starring Pabibo.
Bebe.
Yes, and syempre, ang pinaka-paborito ng lahat, ang future nating artista, si Pabibe. Yes, Bibi Nitro, hello. What are you looking at, baby, huh? What are you looking at? Hey, hello. You gonna say hello? You say hello. Dead ma.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Okay guys, we are ready to begin today's vlog. So sa vlog na to, pag-usapan po natin kung ipapasok ba natin si Baby Nitro sa show business. Diba? Bakit?
Kailangan pa ba niyang mag-showbiz? Nasa YouTube na siya, masyado na siyang exposed.
Parang umiiyak na siya parang ngayon niya sa show business.
Kunin mo daw siya.
Sige, kunin ko. See, you sit here with Daddy, you join the vlog. You tell us, do you want to be artista? You tell us na. Sige na.
Ayaw niya.
Ngayon mo, babasa yes or no? You will tell us when you get older, no? But I think parang lahat ng bata, they want to be famous when they're older, no?
He's running.
You smile at mommy, huh? Yeah.
May gatas ka pa sa labi. Literal na may gatas sa labi.
So, yeah guys, it depends sa kanya, no? Kung gusto niya mag-artista or hindi. Pero feeling ko lahat ng bata, pangarap nila na maging artista
Ako,
or
hindi.
prinsesa
Hindi,
or
ako-
hari, ganun.
Mali ka. Kasi ako,
Sumuka! Projectile pa!
ayaw niya
Projectile
kasi. Ikaw kasi pinipilit mo mag-artista.
Tingnan yung ang arm ko. Oh, wala. Milagro.
Hi, Suka. Hello, Suka.
Tinamaan yung braso ko. Is that how much you don't want to be an artista, huh? You threw up at the thought of it. Huh? Yeah? Alam nyo guys, nag-try din ako sa showbiz dati. Nasa Story of Us with Kim Chu ako noong 2016. Nasa Itbulaga din ako. Ilang beses ako nandun. Wawawin. Nandun kami. Sumali ako sa I Love OPM.
ASAP.
Yep, we were on ASAP. Yung pinaka-latest ko was Since I Found You with Piolo Pascual, RC Munoz in 2018. But alam niyo parang being an artista is
Maganda pag ikaw yung star.
yeah. Kung ikaw mismo si Piolo Pascual, yeah, sarap ng buhay. Laki ng bayad sa'yo. Kung ikaw si Coco Martin, 500,000 pesos isang taping day, no?
Oh,
O, di ba, bibi, ang laki, no? Sarap na ng buhay, di ba?
Pero pag extra ka,
Pag extra ka, sobrang maliit ang bayad sa'yo.
antay forever.
Yes, and you're anti, and I noticed in that industry, they don't really respect you when you're an extra. They don't respect your time. And like, minsan, like yung mga ibang extra na kinakusap ko, 500 pesos lang per day, taping nila, and then they have to wait like 17 hours. Sabi ko, grabe, that's just, ang nagtrabaho doon, wala silang respeto sa mga extra, alright? Pero ang mga malaking, like, bida, ang mga artista talaga, they have their own private tent, own private room, massage therapist, and everything. Like, it's not an industry I liked. I tried it, and I didn't like it.
Dati pangarap mo.
Oh,
Ay,
dati
may
pangarap
sinasabi
ko.
pala ako.
Oh. Anong sinasabi mo?
May
Bea?
sinasabi
I think
ako
you must have
before
touched
siya
the phone.
nagsuka.
Ano yun?
Yung sabi ko na, di ba sabi mo na pangarap ng mga bata maging artista?
Yes.
Mali ka. Kasi never ko naging pangarap na maging artista.
Talaga?
Gusto ko lang maging ballet dancer at saka flight stewardess.
Flight stewardess ang liit-liit mo. Ano yun?
Anyone care for water?
They don't say that.
Yes, they do.
They say, do you want some peanuts?
Na, a joke. Oo.
Anyway, getting back to the point, ipapasok ba natin si Nitro sa show business sa Pilipinas? Hindi namin pilitin si Nitro. We're not going to make him do show business, alright? We might put him in some commercials, but I just hate that industry, you know? I just really don't like that industry after working in it. Like the people, I just
So,
didn't have a good
sabihin ko lang, yung
experience at all.
experience mo hindi maganda. Kasi siguro yung iba, maganda yung experience nila, di ba?
Kahit na like marami akong
Nakausap.
ikakwento sa inyo, like sa Kim Chu, The Story of Us 2016, na yung shooting nila was dun sa Bataan, na sa isang beach, sa isang resort. Pero yung resort, hindi magandang resort. Hindi talaga magandang resort. So yeah, we went there, we shot all day, we were taping all day, dun kami naghintay all day. Sa katapusan ng shooting, it was mga 11 PM na. Nag-pack up na sila. Kulang yung mga van nila. So, we were supposed to stay in a maliit na hotel that night. Kaso, nakalimutan nila kami. Umalis silang lahat, sabi nila, sige, babalikan namin kayo. Hindi sila bumalik. So, doon kami na-stranded sa pangit na resort na yan. All night. The whole night hanggang bukas sa umaga. When they came back to do some more taping. So, doon kami natulog sa beach.
Sabi nila,
Kasi walang mattress doon
nandito
sa...
pala kayo.
Oo, pag bumalik sila, sabi nila, ay, maaga kayo. Sabi namin, we've been here all night. You left us here.
Maaga kayo.
And then walang signal dun, so we couldn't call them to say, hey, where are you? Come pick us up. Diba, like,
Tumatawa siya, tinatawanan ka.
tinatawanan na kami, baby.
Ay,
Ang
dahil-
pangit ng experience ko sa showbiz as in. Grabe. Tapos, yung sa Since I Found You, they asked me what my TF was before I got on the show. So they asked me what my TF was, I gave it to them, and then hindi sila nagbayad sa akin throughout the whole show hanggang sa katapusan ng show. Nag-end na ang show, hindi na nila ako kailangan. And then they said, your TF wasn't approved, we're gonna pay you this TF na lang, which is 2,000 pesos less than your original TF. So, like, they do that now, the shows end and they don't need me anymore, diba? So,
Nalugi ka ng 2,000 per day.
yeah, it's a corrupt industry, and parang when you're an extra or when you're an actor, parang you're just a tool na ginagamit lang nila, alright? They don't really see you as a human being, like in my experience. They don't, they just treat you like a tool. Okay, we need you, okay, we don't need you, go away.
Actually, sa showbiz, ganun, di ba? Maraming
Yeah,
mabilis,
ganun talaga ang
mabilis
showbiz.
magpalit.
Ganun talaga ang
Pag
showbiz.
hindi
So,
kayo nalagay ng network mo. So, parang inisip ko, mas maganda na lang magkaroon ka ng YouTube channel, ikaw
oo
pang
nga.
bahala lahat.
Kaya lahat ng artist na nag-YouTube na.
Di ba? Kasi walang magsasabi, bawal to, bawal yan, ganyan
Yeah.
yan. Tapos, depende kung may contract ka. Pero kasi pag walang nag-ano sa'yo na network, nag-hold back, kaya
Yes.
mong gawin ng kahit ano gusto.
I mean, if I was running my own TV show or something, I would, because of my experiences, I would make sure that everyone is treated well. You know, everyone is fed well, everyone is picked up, taken back to their hotels, and isn't left on a beach to starve all night. Diba? So it's like, that's what I would do if I was like a producer or a director, you know, organizing something like that. I'd make sure it's fair.
O, gumawa ka na ng network mo.
But ayoko sa show business dahil sa experience ko dito sa Pilipinas. Ayoko na. Kaya we stick...
Tatampo ka na.
Yes. And then, tsaka isa pa, like, yung itsura ko, hindi ito ang hinahanap ng, you know, mga casting directors.
Gusto
They want
nila.
half Filipino, like Baby Nitro. So Baby Nitro would do well in Filipino showbiz, in modeling, kasi he
baka
has
ano?
the itsura na hinahanap nila. They want half white or half something, half Filipino. Yun yung bentang-benta dito sa Philippine showbiz, no?
Ulo. Huwag mo siyang ikis, hindi ka pa na-shave, di ba? Ay, hindi. Di ba, baby, sabihin mo.
You smiled at mommy, didn't you? Yes, you did, baby. So Nitro could do really well in show business, so it's up to him if he wants to do it. Maybe they would treat him better because he is the bida. Bully.
Nagsusma siya, hindi nakikita sa camera. Kasi naisip niya pag narinig niya yung boses ko.
Naisip niya pagkain.
Katas.
Yes. Yeah, that is our vlog today. So our answer to this question is maybe. Depende ka na, Jo.
Depende sa talent niyo. Mukhang pera.
Depende sa talent ko nga. Our friends have told us we should put him in commercials or have him audition for baby commercials, you know, like for Huggies or something like that.
Kukunin siya.
Yeah. But you guys, that is our vlog today. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa video natin, and we will see you next time. Say bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Baby, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, guys. Blunt the Fam is out.
Ay, di ko abot.
Everything to me, if you let me love you.